Good evening, everyone. This is Suresh Kumar from Zebu School and Zebu on Evening Market Update. Today, as expected, market has fallen down because of the global cues. But what's surprising is that market stayed down. It didn't go down too much down or didn't go up too much up. It stayed there stable in a very tight, narrow band. There was some kind of buying happening at the lower levels, but still it was stuck in the lower band. If you are a option trader with some algo strategies and based your conditions on futures, then your stop loss might have got triggered. The reason being that in 1 minute candle, if you were to watch it, you would see that there was a massive spike happened somewhere around 2 o'clock, 2 to 2:30. There was a massive spike down for in the 1 minute candle. So our suggestion always been that if you are basing some strategy on the future, the better thing is to avoid it altogether and base it on the index itself because of these kind of erratic movements that is prone to happen in the futures is not will not happen in index. So base your strategies on that. This is the thing we can learn from um, today's movement. Now, in the bank Nifty, the main index stuck in a narrow range, fell down and stuck in a narrow range. However, Bank Nifty fell down in a similar amount, but then recovered almost all of the fall. This is due to various factors because they found support in the key banks, the private and public banks. There was a key support that is coming for these banks, which pushed the Bank Nifty upwards. The same didn't happen for the Nifty, the broader index, because of various factors, particularly the weak global cues. And looking at the open interest in the Bank Nifty, uh, the sell side, the put side, there is not much writing that is happening in the put side, but there was much writing happening in the call side. So there is some kind of feeling that market might not go too high, particularly for Bank Nifty in the foreseeable future. We need to continuously monitor the open interest to arrive at some kind of reasonable conclusion. But as it stands today, the call side, there are a lot of writing that is happening, but put side, there is a weak writing happening. So base your strategies consulting with your financial analyst. Crude oil is continuing to be doing well. It is moved up today by 1.5 percentage points, 1.5 percentage. And it is a recovery, it is a technical bounce. But the broad sentiments about crude oil seems to be on the downside. The reason being that, as we said in the morning, that China has clamped down heavily to the curb down the um, corona infection that is emerging in China. So that is the reason the outlook for the economy as well as the transport for China and the broader global economic in general seems to be a little bleak. That is the reason why the crude oil is reflecting lower prices. And in commodities, silver particularly is down and about 1%, and we need to wait till the international market opens, the US market opens to find out how they will react mm, in the evening. In the rupee is stable with mild positive. It is stable. It is around 81.7. It is stuck within a range of 81 to 83. It is a broad range when it comes to currency, but that is what we are living. We are living through especially volatile times for the currency markets, and with dollar strengthening against almost all the currencies, it is as expected moved up a little bit. Um, we need to watch this space to find out about how the exporters and importers are going to do, and we need to have a close watch on the uh, currency. Now, FIIs in all indications seems that FIIs would have sold some at least few hundred crores at least today. You need to watch and get the results in the evening to find out FII, at least in the provisionally, whether they have sold it or not. Because they've been buying for about 12,000 crores so far this month. As we said in the morning, they have net sold in September, they have bought I mean, sold very small amount net in October. In the November, they have already bought for about 12,000 crores. So we are in FAS. There is, seems to be um, there is a change in the direction. FAS coming back to the market and buying at least mildly. That might have changed today because market has opened down and stayed down because there was no support from either the DIAs or from the FIIs. So no buying happened at the extremely low level. So uh, that's it. Mm, and since it was a range-bound market and down market, there was a bears dominated it, and the market breadth was negative in the favor of the bears. So that is how the market ended today. Let's analyze what has happened today evening. Whatever data we are yet to get, so more data we will be analyzing this, and we will be presenting all this thing in the morning. So do join us for the morning market update. Till then, it's Suresh Kumar signing off for Zebu and Zebu School. Thank you.